Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, we're going to make a super easy chocolate buttercream recipe. I have 4 cups of icing sugar. This is equal to 540 grams. A half a cup of cocoa powder, 50 grams. And I am using Dutch process cocoa powder in my recipe today. 1 cup of salted butter, 227 grams. 1/4 cup of milk, 60 grams. And I am using 2% milk in my recipe today, but you can use whole milk as well, or skim milk if you prefer. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about 1 gram. And our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 5 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to take all of my cocoa powder, gently get that into our bowl, and whisk this together. I'm going to take my salt and put that in. The salt is optional because I am using salted butter, but I find that little bit of extra salt is nice. And then all of my butter. Oh, this is going to be good. And I'm going to take my mixer, speed number 1, and I just want to get that incorporated. To make this a little easier, I'm just going to add in my milk. And let's not forget our vanilla. And that is done, and it looks amazing. So this recipe, you can change this up. It's very forgiving. You can add a little bit more milk if you wish. But right now, this is perfect. But you can see how nice this is. Look at that. Let me get my little spatula just to show you how nice this frosting is. It is amazing. You saw how easy that was to make. I'm going to be putting this on a cake in another video. But look at that. That is really awesome frosting. Frosting, buttercream. We are using butter in here, so I'm calling it buttercream. And there we go. Really nice stuff. So if you're putting this into the fridge to use today, later on, tomorrow, what you want to do is take a piece of plastic wrap and put it right over the whole frosting and actually touch it onto the frosting. So get it on there, and then you can put another piece over the whole top of your bowl. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it, and now you know how easy it is to make a really amazing chocolate buttercream frosting. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. and thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.